A mud monster is coming!
My brother tries to dive underwater.
This is strange.
It is like a soft waterbed.
I am doing water yoga.
Look at this beautiful blue water!
Yay!
This lake is very special, sweetheart.
I want to swim to the bottom today.
We are at the lowest place on Earth. The water here is 400 meters below sea level.
Please be careful, my brave boy.
I have a book about this place.
Do not read books on the beach, little doctor.
Remember, do not get water in your eyes.
Oh!
The salt can bother your eyes, so be careful.
The water is 10 waves saltier than the ocean.
I am strong. I can swim down anyway.
Let us start our great water challenge now!
Watch me. I am diving now.
You look like a little turtle, Max.
This water is pushing me up. It is heavy. How is this possible? I keep floating.
Relax, honey. You're not sinking. Let go of the ball. Let us keep it safe.
The ball moves down, but I still float.
I told you, you cannot sink here.
This is so strange. I don't like this.
Oh my God, you are floating, Mia!
It is like a soft waterbed, so comfortable.
I feel like an astronaut in space.
How can you do that without moving?
This is so relaxing and beautiful.
Let us add more weight now.
Oh no, we are popping up again!
This is the best video ever. Look at you.
This is crazy. The water is too strong.
The water is not pushing you, Max. Your body is lighter than this salty water.
What do you mean by lighter?
The salt makes this water super heavy.
Listen to our smart little doctor, Max.
I brought this egg for an experiment. Look, it floats like a tiny boat.
This is amazing. It really floats.
The egg is lighter than this salty water.
We have a young scientist in our family.
I am sorry, sister. I should listen to you.
It is okay. Learning by doing is more fun, Max.
Now, let's do some fun floating games!
I want to try a special posture too.
Look, I can read a book on the water.
I am doing water yoga. This is so quiet.
My legs keep flying up. This is funny.
I'm recording this magic moment.
The black mud is so good for our skin.
Oh, a mud monster is coming. Look, I am a cute wildcat now.
Meow. It feels very cool and smooth. Now, open your ears for my science class. The river brings water here, but there is no exit.
So, where does the water go?
The strong sun dries the water very fast.
Only the heavy salt stays in the lake. I learned that salt has great power.
And we have our best young scientist.
Science is about discovering together.